Hello, welcome back. I want to show you a couple of new things Anytone ATD878UV2 Plus. Oops, like I pushed the right button. The camera would only focus on the screen. So we go into the menu, I go to call log, go to last call list. Let's choose Chuck, W7RTY, out there in Richland, Washington. Says I talked to him on Venture Overland, but if we go to options, can save new ID, call alert. Let's see what happens here. Okay, that's sending him a call alert. Send successful. Probably have a message waiting for him. Sorry, Chuck. Measure period. Get distance William. His repeater's not found. I doubt his GPS info will work. Yeah, he's not online. Check radio. Seeing if he's online. He's not online. Or we can delete him. So we'll delete him. Let's go to KJ7 LNM. I must have heard him here on 3100. I didn't get to talk to him. Let's measure distance. I don't see a heading there, do you? Says he has GPS info. It's not aligned. But anyways, a couple new features I just noticed that I thought would be worth sharing, since this does do analog APRS receive. So I find more things that the 878 UV2 Plus can do that the 878 UV can't. I'll show them off to you. Hope you enjoyed this short little video. I'll find more things with this radio. I'll bring them to your attention. Please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Use our Amazon link in the description below for any and all purchases off Amazon. Bridgecom link for any and all amateur radio products or accessories. If you really want to support this channel, you can do so on patreon.com/simplyhamradio. Everyone be safe. 7-3.